So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to pair a remote with a solar powered blind in a skylight. All right, so this is the room we're talking about. We did these blinds on this house, or this skylights, about a year ago during new construction, and the remotes, I guess, got stolen or thrown away during the process. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is put this blind into pairing mode. So you're going to look at this switch on the left side, and you're going to press this to the left for 10 seconds, and the blind's going to start moving. There you go. Let me get out of here. It's a long way down. So this button on the right is the pairing, open for pairing button. You're going to press that for 1 second. And then you're going to hit the center button and the bottom button. And there it goes. You can see the other ones are also operating. We have one more left. All right, here's the finished product. Oh, that one got a little... There it goes. So there you have it, folks. That's how to install or to program a new remote with an existing solar powered skylight option. It could be a blind, it could also be a venting option. These Velux skylights come with a lot of cool things. If you ever are interested in adding some natural light to your home or some awesome natural ventilation, give us a call, 901-854-3402. That's Restoration Roofing and Mid-South Skylights, the only 5-star Velux installer in the Mid-South. Peace.